Hear the hits. Watch the hits.
We play the hits.
Hit music all day.
Like this.
I am what I say, you're psycho.
Your number one hit music station.
We are Radio 44. Your music, your life.
Taken off the movie Vicky or Vidya Ka Wo Wala video. Did I get it?
Yes,
I did. Oh, thank God. All right, so we do have two very special people at the Radio 44 studios right now. We've got Jasmeet Kaur and Pritpal Kaur, the organising committee of the SGRR Super Cup 2024, and we're talking about this phenomenal football tournament that's happening this Sunday, 27th of October, from 7:30 a.m. onwards, at of course MOW Sports Ground South Sea. Now, with about 70 teams that are participating. So how has the registration process been like? You know, what's the response? Were you surprised by the response?
The registration process has actually been quite exciting and both overwhelming as well.
Okay.
But in the best way possible. So we knew there was like a strong love for football in the community. I mean, there's very few people you'll meet and they don't like football. So we were expecting a good number of responses. And what's it called? With over 70 teams registering, to some extent, I think the number of teams registering really did exceed our expectations.
That's
but
good.
Overall, I'd say the process has been very smooth thanks to our amazing team under the leadership of Tejinder Singh and our lovely partners, Left Foot Sports. They really helped streamline everything. And I'd say what's been surprising though is the sheer level of enthusiasm. Like Jasmeet said, especially from the categories of under 14 and over 40. So we're seeing that people are very eager and excited not only to play but to support the greater cause that's behind this tournament, which is really heartwarming because you're seeing people doing something they love while helping someone. I feel like that could be the best combination out there. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. So very thrilled to see all these teams coming together for a fun day of competitive but friendly football.
Yeah, because I remember, when people think South Sea in football, they think it's going to be quite tough, but it's actually not going to be that, is it?
Yeah, let's see. Let's find out. Everyone should come there. MOW Sports Club.
Excellent. Now, I'm sure you guys have a message that you'd like to give to the community and the potential spectators who might be coming in for the event. Do you have a message?
Yeah, our message to the community and the potential suspectors is very simple. Come be part of something bigger than just football. This is more of charity. We have gone to schools like in Kajiado, and the scenes there are not nice. We went as a group. We saw kids don't have water there. They don't have power there. So that really touched our heart. They have never seen Indian skin.
What?
Yeah, we went there. They were literally touching our skin and saying, is this real?
Oh my God.
So that was very heart touching for us. We had water bottles, so they were like grabbing it like they've never seen water. Literally, it's that tough. They study at night because they don't have solar powers. It's really hot there, and their classrooms are mabati.
Oh, right.
So the heat is direct to them during the day. So they have to study at night. And imagine there's no solar there. They have no lights there.
Oh,
so
dear.
I think this is what has caused us to do something bigger than just football. It's more of a charity that whatever earnings we have, whatever we earn from this is going directly there. So it's nothing to do with us. So we want people to come together, help us, even help them. We can even you should just go there and see yourself.
Yeah, no, I'm super interested. I mean, it's always good to see how other people are living their lives. It sort of grounds us. We tend to feel like we're living a certain life. We forget what other people are going through. And I think when organizations such as yours actually go ahead and you get the bigger picture, you bring it on to us, and with an event like this, now more people, even though they haven't witnessed the hardships, they are now part of that. They want to make a difference, and I think it's phenomenal.
Yeah. So we want everyone to come on 27th. Help us. We help them, it's just bigger than football.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, we'll be back right after a short break with these hits. AP Dillon with that beautiful, beautiful jam playing right here on Radio 44. And we do have Jasmeet and Pritpal Kaur right here. And of course, we are talking about the SGRR 2024 Super Cup that's happening this Sunday at MOW. Now, this is the first time this is happening. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so here is my question. I mean, I'm sure with over 70 teams, a six-a-side football tournament, something of this magnitude, there were a lot of challenges for sure, right? So what were some of the key challenges that you faced?
Okay, organizing this tournament with so many teams registering and wanting to participate, it's definitely been a challenge. Yes, I'll start with that. But it's been an exciting one. Let's clear that. There's a lot that goes on into the coordinating of so many teams, from managing the registrations, securing the venue, scheduling the matches, just trying to make sure that everything's going smoothly. One of the key challenges, I'd say, has been time management. So trying to draft up a schedule that's going to work for that day, especially with so many teams coming in, and we don't want anyone to be left out. We're trying to make room for everybody, every team, to be able to participate. And so with so many teams especially, it's essential to keep things moving.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's one thing we're working on, trying to overcome that challenge. And then secondly, I think logistics, probably around trying to make sure, do we have enough referees? Do we have enough equipment? Do we have enough facilities that are gonna, be able to accommodate all our players and spectators? And so it's been, but thankfully, the process of organizing and everything has been very smooth, thanks to our partners, our sponsors. Everyone has been incredibly helpful, and it's been a learning process, but we're very confident that it's all going to come together as a day of fun, football.
Excellent. All right, so we are going to take another short break, and regarding the spectators who are going to be coming in on Sunday to MOW from 7:30 a.m., I think this song answers how I feel. Badsha and Pile Dave with that phenomenal track playing right here at Radio 44, and we do have the organizing committee members of the SGRR Super Cup 2024, Jasmeet and Pritpal Kaur. So, Jasmeet, if you could tell us about the whole format of how the tournament is going to be happening, the football tournament.
So this is a six-a-side, which means we'll be having 6 players per team. Since we're looking at over 70 teams, so that's going to be a lot of people.
Yes.
6,000 is the registration fee for the open to all.
Okay.
So under 14s are coming for free. They need a chance to showcase their talent. So they are coming for free. Only open to all is what we're charging, because
okay.
It'll start at 7:30
a.m.
a.m. and we're trying to finish it by 5:30, because a game is going to be for 15 minutes, and we have 3 fields.
Yes. In
MOW is very huge.
It's huge.
So we have 3 fields. Our referees are coming from left foot. They're organizing with all the nitty-gritties.
Okay.
Yeah, they're really assisting us with the actual formats of the football and everything. Since for us, it's just more of just giving them what we can, and they're giving us more of the football vibes. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So the cash prize is 25,000. Yeah. So it's open to all community, not only 6, not only it's open to everyone.
Okay.
Everyone can come and join. In fact, our registrations are still open.
Yes.
You can all go to our SGRR handle, youth handle on Instagram, and you can see the form there. You can contact us. We'll get you registered for the team.
And when do registrations close?
We are planning to close them a day after tomorrow, which is Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. Yeah. All right, so register.
So, it's free entry to watch. You all can just come on MOW. Come watch the football games, have fun. Enjoy with your friends. It's a good field.
And I think the beautiful thing is that it's all for charity.
Yeah.
It's all for charity. So, yes, let me hear from you, Pritpal. So why, once again, what are we trying to achieve?
Okay, so as the SGRR Youth Group, we have been pursuing these charitable ventures for a while now, from food donations to medical camps in places like Kajiado and so many more. What we try to aim for when we're doing these things is that we try to make a difference, any difference we can in these lives that need saving, that need help, right? That the needy, the disadvantaged, everything. So even looking at this football tournament, we want to raise as many funds as we can so we can help these schools. We've already mentioned that, how we want to get them solar energy and water purification systems, just anything that's going to make their life better. And so as for the football tournament, I'd like to thank the sponsors, our lovely partners, Left Foot Sports, and our amazing youth team. Everyone has been very supportive, and a message to everyone who's listening, everyone who's watching, just show up. If you're not participating, that's okay. You can come watch. Just show up. Every kick of a ball is like a helping hand that's going to put a smile on some child's face out there. And I can't tell you how much joy it brings me knowing that. So like, just think about it. Just think about it. How much difference even like, you might think, oh, but what will I do, you know? I'm just making like a small contribution. Is this really going to help someone? Yes, it's going to help someone. For you, it might look small, but for someone out there, it's going to mean the world. Just think about that. So yeah, with that, show up, sign up, let's have a good time, let's be supportive.
Excellent. I think, wow, I'm sold. So, of course, for those of you who have just tuned in, there is only one place to be on 27th, this Sunday, and that is, of course, the MOW Sports Ground at Southsea, in Southsea. And, of course, this is for the SGRR Super Cup 2024, and we will be seeing you over there from 7:30 a.m. Ladies, well done. Congratulations on doing such a phenomenal job, and we'll see you on Sunday.
See you there.
Thank you.